Set up a Snapchat ad. First, if you have a ad manager, you can run Snapchat ads from here. After enter in your ad manager, then you will see this interface. Then you will you will get different types of ads like awareness, promote, place, app install, drive traffic, website, drive traffic to app, engagement, video view, lead generation, catalog ad, website ad, app conversion. So today I will set up this ad, drive traffic to apps. Okay, so I'll click here, then I will set up a name, test it, drive traffic. You can give any names, TRIFIC. Okay, then you will set up the date from here, and you also set up the time. (10 AM). Okay, you can also set up the end time. Okay, so I will not set up the end time, then I will go next. And please friend, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe, and if you have any question, please feel free to comment. I will reply. And if you want to contact me, I will left my contact information in the description box. Please check and contact me. Ad set name, all H, United States. Okay, traffic, TRAFFIC, traffic ad. Okay, then I'll not adjust any pixel here. Then you can keep your budget here. I'll $30 per day. Okay, it's must be at least $5 daily budget. If you $5, okay, daily record $5, then start there, click goals, image, video, ad collection. Okay, bid, ad target cost, max bid, max. You can edit the placement, or you can check the automatic placement. So I will set up here content, user history, publish, slide, input, everywhere. Okay, then more, full inventory. Okay, I'll keep it. Then location, you can select location from here, one or state or countries. You can UK. Okay, England. Okay, you can select from here. So I'll keep only the United States. Okay, then age is restricted. You can select the age restricted, but I will skip this one. Direct to 50 plus, not 50 plus, direct to 40. Okay, gender, then you can select an specific gender or both. So I will select only male. Language, English. Advanced demography, you can choose the advanced household incomes, where which people are show this at their household income. Okay, then I will keep it all. So I'll not select anyone. Snapchat address. Okay, I'll target visitor, Snapchat. Okay, grocery, household, shopping, activity. Okay, Then I will Wi-Fi all clears, not total. Okay, then I will go next. Add name TRAFFIC add. Okay, wait, my PC got hanged. Okay, then public profile. It's optional. You can use your brand name here. Yeah. Then to try highlights headline here is here. WORDPRE WordPress is here. Right. Service. You can generate with AI from here to okay, generate. Okay, rank high WordPress. Okay, I will check this one and apply it. Okay, then you can upload a media from here. Okay, but wait, I'm select the media, then I will continue. Media is uploading here, then I will straight call to action button. Okay, wait, you can select any one from here. Get now, play now, order now, donate now, direction. So I will click order now. Okay, who will buy? Your name, your app's name. Then you can set your ID here, then install app or website. You can take your visitor to your website, or you can directly check them in your website. Apps. Okay, then I will visit them here. Then you have to just put your website here. Okay, then upload your icon here, then publish it. Okay, this is the process. I hope you understand. My media is uploading 25%. When it will 100%, this ad will continue to publish. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any questions, just comment below, I will reply. And if you need to contact me, just visit my description link. I'll keep my contact information there. You can contact me from there. Okay, and please subscribe my channel and like, share, comment, and follow my Facebook page. Thank you.